So let's have a look at how to wind the table up and down. You need to wind the table down each time you pack up the trailer. So to lift this here, it's just got a little latch, and then inside here is a little winder bar. So you just pop that on there and then you wind. So when we get all the way down, we take this lever out, we put the lid back on. And then in the trailer, you'll have 2 additional cushions that have a timber back. And one goes across here. Now that goes across here. And now this creates the extra bedding space for you to relax in your trailer.